Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. We come back with the car today. We welcome you to the a170 Mercedes-Benz. Okay, for this car, I tell you the story is no blower, no aircon, easy, no air conditioning, no blower, no fan, no nothing. And I should show you what I mean. Okay, we put them on and turn. Okay, we are on here, and we try to control and turn on up and down. Of course, try to turn on the fan to max. None of the fan work. Okay, and my friend been looking for the fuse, and he said none of them blow. Anyway, do service for 55k. Reset them if you want. Okay. For blower, for this car, I never ever opened one before, but for me, I think it's always on that side, on the passenger side, because steering wheel here should be there. On this car, similar like the Honda, I think the blower somewhere in there, that busted in there, very hard to get out. But try to get out, very difficult, because my first time, I never done one before, and try to see what's wrong with the blower or what's wrong with the they got the little resistance switch control, maybe the resistance, the coil resistor for the fan controller, so maybe it blow, who know. But I remember back in the day I did one replace for some cars, just beat up or somewhere. We have to get another blower. Anyway, open up, no more talking. Of the resistance broken, not the blower, because they will cost your arm and leg for the blower, the motor. I don't know where to get them from. Maybe from a European, European place. Very expensive. But that one, go there. Yeah, Suki. Why, man? Super hard, man. Oh shit, man. Here we go. Okay. Got this one. A very trickster, man. What a trickster, man, right here. Okay, will be no more, please, no more. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, the blower, the sensor, whatever is, my friend already maybe try already. I don't know. They came up somewhere. Okay, we put it away. Okay, all that junk there, see? The whole glove box, and we're chasing for the blower. Where the blower? The wire is here. The blower somewhere. Oh my god. Don't tell me it's that one. It's that one. That one, the control. And where the blower? That's one, the controller. Not a trouble, I guess. I don't know where the blower coming out, or where the blower, seriously, I don't know where is the blower, but I would say it in that box there, in there. But where the enter, how to enter your hand in the blower, and I can't find any blower here. Just see how bunch of fuse box here. Can't even move it out. Can't even move it out. The wire, can't even move it out. No fuse box around here. Okay, that's something interesting. Very interesting about this car. So it was raining outside, so I have to drive the car inside here. First attempt murder will fail. So I tried to find the blower, but it's not on this side. I don't see any blower, so I have to put everything back on this side first, and then go on the side and do this side. It's so ridiculous. Okay, ridiculous. So anyway, make sure I put it back, and we go on this side. But if I can't find it, tell them go take the car away and burn the car. Took me long enough to put one side in, back together. Now everything in original place, and okay, we're about to murder another side. Okay, we have to come this side and murder underneath here. Second attempt murder is the driver's side cover. Take out. Put this one away, and then we have to take all this fairing and then put all this one away. Handbrake. Sorry, the bonnet. And here we go. You can sneak your hand in, and there is the blower. Here's the blower. You can undo the, see the white line, one bolt on each one, and then you can pull it out this way. And there is on the top, there is the resistance. So hopefully we pull everything out and test one by one, and then you will see from there, and will be no question. They built in the resistance in like that box there, and we take the motor out, test direct, see the motor is spinning. If it's spinning, we are lucky. We have to replace the resistance and test the power input, and we will know from there. Okay, but we wait for tomorrow. Okay, dry land now. I can lay down and with me luck, because it's very little tiny margin in here. I don't know what size they are. There's so many different sizes, and try to undo this one is ridiculous too, because they're super small. And the flux, undo the flux first. The wire out, and then the main wire is here. From the control, we got the key. From the key come out here, and you want to test, see the power go in here before they go through the blower. They go through the little resistance control in here. So if you want to know the power go in here or not, you have to test the power. If we turn on the switch and start the car, okay, we start up the car. All right, okay, and then we turn on the blower. We turn on the blower to number 6, okay, and we test the power. Very simple. We test, see any power go in. Put on voltage reading. See voltage reading here. Yep, we got a reading there. You see? And now we turn up the. Bloody hell! I need 2 hands to hold it. Don't let it contact together. We turn up the main switch here. Roll it down, and we turn it up. Completely up. Yep, come up. Okay, it got the up, auto, up. It's still on number 1. Where do I turn up? Still on number 1. So this one on number 1. Fan, and there you go, off. Here we go. Yep. They turn on. It is possible just twist and turn. Let's see which direction we can turn and take it out. Much easy for me. I don't know which way when I turn. So we go that one, and one hand down there, and one down there. They'll leave it there. Okay, I go. Oh shit! Fall out. Luckily, I don't have to sneak my hand in there and do that little bolt there. So twist and turn will be easy solution, and take it out from there. Okay, now we take it out. It doesn't have a problem. I don't know where to pull them out. How to pull them out, that's another major problem. Okay, we sneak out this way and get out this way. Okay, let's see. Gotta be a very tricky way to get out. So I try to turn the resistance this way. So resistance go down this way. Now another murder attempt is die. The problem is the steel racks here, the steel bar. We mark them on, and we remove the bolt, and we set it this way, and hopefully we can get out, and we can test it outside. Okay, we can do nothing without this one. Is cannot move this one out. I never done this one before. If someone else done before, they may know. But what I do is take off the number 13 with the steel universal joint. See, what an easy solution. Don't ever move this one. Stay still where it is. Get the rope, tied it here, undo the wheels, steering wheels here, the knot there, take it out. It'll be difficult, but you can sneak it out, baby. Okay, what we do is, here we go, this one, that one, and we are loving cow. Okay, we are loving cow. Okay, we got all here out, and now it's all yours. So resistance control is here, the motor, check the process. Oh, the motor really seat up, so I say the motor is fucked. Anyway, we go direct test. Very easy, man, very easy. We go put the 18 volt direct test into the motor, because the see the control here, someone normally it's been very easy. Okay, now it's a very easy solution. If I hold in hand here, and if I slide the battery on, and if this one's spinning, so that means the resistance control here faulty. Okay, the fan still spinning, see? Shit, spinning all right, very strong and work. I would say we have to replace the resistance here. So normally when you open up, if this is not because we are not sure, we have to go and buy this one controller. Okay, resistance. Okay, where we gotta get one, I don't know. I have to go do some searching on the Mercedes records. It's using the brass bearing, it's not like a ball bearing, so I put a bit of the WD-40, and it looks like it spins better. See, it spins better with lighter, so there's nothing wrong with the motor. Still good. We have to go searching, see how much for this one, or they come complete. I don't know, would they sell second hand separate, or we have to buy them completely. Today we waiting for parts or order in, because we gonna see the second hand one. If they got this whole second hand motor, we buy them cheaper than we buy separate, or we have to go to the factory and get the parts. That's the key about this one. So the fan still work, but the resistance here is faulty. So what I do is put everything back and waiting for the part turn up, and then we do it again. So we roll the car out, so we get our space for doing our house renovation. So should be all right. How you put back in, but very important, when you remove the steering wheel bolt nuts, you have to get the paint, mark them on, and get a rope that tight this one here, so without any movement. And we put in directs exactly the same mark, and we are bingo. You don't want anything turning or one thing turn wrong. The whole lot in the control here and ABS light will be stopped. Okay, don't ever do that wrong. Always lock it like this. To most every car the same. Ford, Holden, Falcon, whatever it is, and Toyota, whatever, Audi, Lamborghini, you have to tighten and not exactly where the location. Don't turn any turn, and that will protection your this one and angle sensor. To bring that bastard back in, now I got them on and try to start and see if it's working, and then I close my shop. Where the hell did I put my keys? We turn it on. Can you hear? Okay, and then test the aircon. Let's see, it's cold. And go down, control, go down front, and see it's cold. Yeah, don't underestimate Simon, mate. Beautiful. We cannot complain, nothing. Okay, both 16-degree low, on, low, and super cold air come out. Underneath the bolt is, when we put this one on, it's falling down. When you go in the angle, no good. Okay, just make the little hole there, just in case this one falling down. It's not easy to get in. That's it. And then put it on, we can get second hand one. Second one on. It's hard. I wish I can see. If I can see, I can enter my hand. If I can't see, I can't enter my hand. Now it's long range missile. Long range missile here. Missile can do the. Took me long enough to replace this one and put a new one of this one on. It's called the resistance control. Everything control in here, and have to order genuine from the Mercedes for test again and again if we wish. Okay, so let's see how the noise. Okay, we have confidence on this one or not now. You can hear it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful quiet. After service the motor, put a little bit of DW40, make the brass bearings inside. The bearing more smoother and more healthier. So we can have the air conditioning, bring it up to the screen and bring to the screen. See, blow here. Good. So we turn up. Okay, bring up. Okay. Okay, now we put everything back and happy to go with the blower. Thanks for watching Simon Tools.